Today we are going to start our journey in uncovering the mysteries of algebra, and we're going to first ask ourselves the question, how do we collect like terms? What is going on, guys? This is Mr. Ryan's Tutoring here, and I'm back with another video, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to collect like terms. So you're probably sat there wondering what on earth collecting like terms means, and it's quite simple really. Collecting like terms means totaling up the amount of the same item. It's that simple. So without further ado, let's crack on with some examples using algebra. So on the screen in front of you, I'm going to put a very simple algebra question up, which says A plus A plus A. Now all we need to do for this is we need to add up how many A's we've got in the equation. So we've got 1A, 2A and 3A. So for our answer we get a total of 3A, and this is because we're adding all of the A's together because we've got a plus sign. So it would be A plus A equals 3A. It's that simple, it's that easy. Now let's see if you guys are ready for a quick quiz on the topic. So on the screen I'm going to put another equation on the screen, and it's your job to figure out what the answer is. So for this equation I've got D plus D plus D plus D, and all I want you guys to do is write that in its simplest form. I'm so sure you guys got that correct. The answer is 4D. So for that example, we actually just added a bunch of letters together, but there's a little bit more to it because sometimes we have to take letters away. And I'm going to show you an example of that right now. So on the screen in front of you, I'm going to write the following equation. We've got 10A minus 7A. And what we need to do is we need to take them away to get the amount of A's that we have left. And it's a very simple method. All we need to do is look at the numbers first. We've got 10 and 7. So if we do 10 take away 7, we get 3. And then we just stick the A at the end, which represents how many A's we have left after we take them away from each other. It's that simple really, and I think already we're on to the quiz again. So on the screen in front of you, Mr. Ryan Jr. is going to write the following equation. 8x minus 4x. And it's your guys' job to write this again in its simplest form. And I'm sure you guys figured that out, no problem. The answer is 4x. So far in this video, we've added like terms and we've taken them away from each other. But what happens if we combine the letters and the adding and taking away all at the same time? What happens then? So I'm going to show you an example. This is where it gets a little bit challenging, but not too bad. We just need to do a little bit more thinking when we're doing these. So on the screen in front of you, I'm going to write the following equation. So we've got 4x plus y plus 2y minus x. Now you might be sat there thinking that is a lot harder than the previous questions, but don't worry, it's actually quite simple really, and I'm going to show you how. Now, if you remember from the start of the video, collecting like terms means collecting an amount of the same item, and this is exactly what we're going to do here. So first of all, let's focus on our x's. So we've got 4x at the start of the equation, then we've got a minus x at the end of the equation. So all we need to do is we need to do 4x minus x, and that will get us 3x. Then next, we've got y and 2y. So that's y plus 2y. And all we need to do again is put them together. So if we do y plus another 2y's, we get a total of 3y's. Finally, we just need to put these two things together, so we will actually get 3x plus 3y. So now, you've guessed it, it's time for a quick quiz. So on the screen in front of you, I'm going to write the following equation. We've got ax minus y plus 2x plus 3y. So the question is, guys, are you up to the challenge? Can you simplify this? Because this is a bit of a tricky one. you guys were paying attention, you would have got the answer of 10x plus 2y. So, it's that time in the video again where we do the grand finale quiz. And in today's grand finale quiz, Mr. Ryan Jr. is going to put 4 equations on the screen. And all you guys have to do is collect the like terms for each and every one of them. So without further ado, let's do this. And if you were able to get that question correct, congratulations, you are now officially collecting like terms masters. However guys, I'm afraid that is it for today's video, but don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.